channel Hairstyle Cutting Fashion. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Dear friends, today my video topic is about most stylish, gorgeous, graceful haircut idea with good and hairstyling ideas that make you look awesome. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of hair cutting ideas in our video. I hope you enjoy my videos. This haircut, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel Hairstyle Cutting. So friends, if you want to watch my video about hair cutting, then watch my other videos and get more ideas.